Tahan lang ha, sa magbigay ng seeds. Okay. I-feed lang natin sa akin. Sakit lang naman to, no? Alright, ayun si Kuya. Thank you so much. Mukhang okay na Kuya M. And we should be good na daw. Sige, balik muna tayo sa inyong mga upuan. Ayan. Upo lang muna tayo. Upo. Alright, thank you so much. Alright, once again guys, this is Barak, our blue and gold macaw with the scientific name of Ara-Ararauna, meaning genius. So why are they called geniuses? Because they have the mental capacity of a 4-year-old child. Yes po, magkasing talino lang po ni Barak ang 4 na taong gulang na bata. Okay, for example, gusto nyo naman i-sample? Gusto nyo sample? Mukhang walang any, kanina po. Okay, gusto nyo sample? Yay! Ayan, gusto ko marinig sa inyo guys, okay? Yung Kuya Michael, sample na boy. Barak, high five to Kuya Michael. May appear? Okay, isa pa, one more, isa pa, up here. And there you go. At syempre, alam niyo ba folks, napaka-sweet at lambing ito ni Barak, guys. Alright, tingin niyo folks, ha? Okay, now, Barak, kiss si Kuya Michael na ba sa kiss niya sa Chico? Kiss, kiss, diba, diba? Napaka-sweet folks. Pero wait lang, mukhang nabitin pa rin si Kuya Michael, guys. Boy, Barak, nabitin pa rin si Kuya Michael mo. I-kiss natin ulit, boy. Pero ito, boy, hindi na sa pisngi, ha? Okay, tanongin natin mga bisita natin. Guys, saan nyo gusto i-kiss si Kuya Michael? Saan nyo gusto i-kiss si Kuya Michael? Oh, sige, kasi kayo nag-request, kayo mag-i-kiss kay Kuya Michael yan, ha? Joke lang po. Okay, sige, pagbigyan natin sila, no? Barak, kiss si Kuya Michael sa lips daw, be. Ang si Orange on. Malamakan po natin, folks. Alright. Okay, now guys, blue and gold macaw don't build their nest. Instead, naghahanap po sila ng hollow tree or puno na may malaking butas. At lalagyan nila ito ng small branches or twigs. And this afternoon, papakita niya ni Barak by using his prehensile big hook. Okay, so bago yan, ayun, dala-dala mo Kuya Michael. Ayan, we have 2 branches. Alright, now, ready ka na, boy? Kuya Michael, mukhang ready na si Barak. Okay, Kuya Michael, lapag na natin yung kahoy. Ayan na. Ayan na po, ikuha. Okay. Ayan na siya guys, so dahan-dahan. Oh, bilis ha. O dahan-dahan lang, baka madulas ka dyan. Alright. Okay, that is their natural behavior po. So ganyan po yung ginagawa nila guys sa wild. Lalo na pag nag-build sila ng kanilang nest, no? Alright, okay, one more. Isa pa po. Okay, isa pa. Slowly but surely lang po. Okay, ayan. O, isa na lang yun. And as you can see naman po, Barak is using his prehensile beak to grab objects without using his feet. No? Alright, at ayan na. And there you go. Palakpakan po natin si Barak, guys. And thank you so much. By the way, folks, no, blue and gold macaw are the 4th largest macaw in the entire world. First is the blue hyacinth macaw. Now guys, and that's all for Barak. Palakpakan po natin sila, syempre, personal trainer.